What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at this 2014 Kawasaki Kx250f, and it's got a blown motor. So we're going to be pulling it out, attempting to fix it. Blew up about 2 months ago and we parked it ever since. So today we're finally going to get to it. We drained the oil out of it and it looked like all like glitter. So there was a ton of metal shavings. It still cranks over, it's not locked up or anything. So I'm thinking that it's a bearing in the bottom end in the transmission. Let's start tearing it apart. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, the motor is out of the bike and we are ready to start taking it apart. First we're going to give it a quick wash. We don't want any dirt getting into the motor whenever we take it apart. So we're going to clean that up, then start tearing it apart. boys, this is not good. You can see all the metal shavings all on the magnets. Just a little bit of a foreshadowing what's gonna be inside. Let's hope it's not gonna be that bad. I don't have any special crank splitting tools, so I'm just gonna be using a plastic hammer and trying to break it loose around the sides. Definitely not ideal, but it'll work for our situation. Alright guys, we have finished tearing apart the motor, and honestly I'm not sure what the problem was. The only real issue that I found was this crank has a little bit of play in it, so we're gonna need to get a new crank. But yeah, like all the bearings seem intact, nothing's wrong with the cases. There's just a lot more shading than there should be, which I'm not sure what that could cause, what that's from really. That's gonna be a wrap for this video, and then we'll get back to you next video when all the parts come in, and we're gonna start reassembling the motor, cleaning all the parts, reassembling it, and hopefully we'll have a running bike by next video.